So I'll be teaching you how to approach to this song chord progression and also different ways you can also apply bass line to this chord progression. Okay, before we start the breakdown, if you're new here, kindly subscribe, like the video. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you'll see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link and it will take you to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So the song was played on key E, that is on your 5th fret B string, okay? It is just 2 chord progression, okay? So now let me teach you bass lines you can use on this chord progression, okay? Now I'm just teaching you how to flow with the original bass lines, and also I told you that you can also change the progression, you understand? So you can also change the progression of the song. So now let's go with the you are good, then go to the next progression. So you are good is on the 2, so you have da da do pa pa da, that is 2, then 6, then 1 2. You are kind. Okay, then if you go into the 5 progression, so 2 6 5, then now you'll be going to the 1 progression. So now you can tell everybody you're going to the 1 progression by doing this. You understand? So 5 6 7 1 1, then you'll be going to the 6 2 3 6. You understand? Okay, so when you're in the 6, you'll be going to the 2 again. You are good. 6 5. You saw where I played to the 2. You start from the 4 3 2 6 1 2. You'll be going to the 5 6 5, or you can do 3 4 5. You are good. Or you can even apply the 3 4 5 on the first groove, okay? You are good. Or you can just do 6 5. You are good. 4 3 2 6 1 2 6 5 6 7 1 da da 3 6. You understand? Okay. So now let me play the progression in another way. So this is not the original song progression, okay? But you can also spice it up by playing this song using this chord progression with your team, okay? So since you have noticed this, you can take this idea to your team and also try to flow around with this progression, okay? So how to approach with this progression on the same song? You are good, da, 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 to the 1. Then you will go into the 4, but before you go to the 4, you have to play your 5 flat, then to your 4, then 6. So let me just take it easy for you. You are 2, then to your 5, 6 to 5. Then you'll be going to the 1 as normal. So you'll be doing 3 to 1, 3 to 1. You understand? So 2, 6 to 5, 3 to 1. Then you'll be going to the 4 sharp or the 5 flat before you go to the 6. So you should get that, okay? Get the concept. So 1, 3, 4, 4 sharp. Understand? Okay. You are 2, 6 to 5, 3 to 1, ba-da-da, 4, 1, 7, 6. You understand? Okay. So you won't delay there. Ba-da-da, 4, 1, 7, 6. So you have your 1, 7, 6. Instead of you going to the 2 again, you can also play on the 7 flat. You understand? So say you are down, you're switching to the 7 flat because your 2 is also connected to the 7 flat. So I always say that if you don't want to play your 2, you can play your 7 flat. But it depends on the kind of song you are, and you should also communicate with your keys. Okay, so you are good, you are kind, or you can play your B string. It's going to give it a 5. You understand? Okay, so when you play 7 flat, da, da, 5. So when you play, so you can also do to the 5 like this. So that is 2, 4, 4 sharp 5, 7 flat, 2, 4, 4 sharp 5, da, 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 da. Then da, da, 6. Okay, I just want you to know this first progression before we move to the da-da, 6, da-da-da. You understand? Okay. You can now add the normal progression and play the second progression to it. For example, like this. Seven flats. You understand? So learn the song progression and learn my own progression so that you can not be playing the song just one way. You can try to spice it up with your team. Again. One, two, 1, 6, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 5. Or you can just play 6, 6, 5, 1, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. I'm gonna give you interesting bass line to this, so just keep on watching. 6, 5, 4. You understand? Okay. So another bass line you could play to this chord progression goes like this. You say, da, da, 6, 3, 6, 7, 1. Okay, to the 5, 5, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. It's just like the 5 chord. So 4, 1, 4, 5, 6. on the 4 you're gonna wait a little bit. So 4 6 5 6 4 4 5 6 to your 5 to your 4. You understand? So when you're done playing that, then you can mix them up together. So hey, and you are good. You can also start from where you want to start. You are kind, da 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 6. You are good too. You are fine. Da da 1, do do do, da da 4. Just like that. You can add that one. You understand? So, okay, 6, 6, 3, 6, 5, 5, so 5, 2, 5, 4. Okay, 4, 1, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 3, 6, 5, 5, 2, 5, 4. I know there's a whole thing to learn on this video, okay, but just take your time and study them very well. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.